sing the first time, and now she's ready to shine even brighter. Let's welcome back our glowing star, our debutant, on her second grand entrance, again accompanied with the song by Ma'am Edmarie Corpus. Ganun pa rin po sa lubog. Calme Sorbito.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Muli po, ang mga 18 lanterns po, pumunta na po tayo dati sa likod.
Sipag. And then, blessed ako ni Lord. Sigurati na siya at nga good health. Mikay, so God bless. And then,
18 birthday. Ikunaklangking ka. Sa mga pambanawan ni Lord. Ba't dati umay nga patibiyag mo, Lord lang ikipangitan. Kung nanay kay Ephesians 6:1, children, obey your parents in the Lord. So, mga liplipatan tayo dyan, kapino.
Happy birthday, Mikaela. 18 ko maraming taon to una yan. So, when summarize ko 85. Main rules. Dalang ti rules ko itibiyag. Kaya hopefully makatulong kanyang. Kaya iti parang debo ngamin may isang responsibility lang. Since 18 kan, pwede kan nga makulong, pwede kan nga may demanda, nagtaon na kita aranitem, so nagigiti si putang. But then the T5 nga rules itibiyag ko that I learned throughout my journey, my continuing journey. Number 1, do not make God your number 2. Di mo aramitin niya ako just nga number 2, iti pa nagtiyag mo. Then number 2, respect and obey your parents. Dayawem ken pagtulugam, iti naganak mo. Talikutan da ka man, dagiti gagayim mo, dagiti amamom, iti aglalaw mo, ng ti parents mo, they will still stay faithful and supportive to you. And then number 3, find and live your purpose. Birogon ti rason na apay nga nag-vlog ka. And then you always go back to number 1, ni Apo Just Leday. And then number 4, be wise at masirip ka, itilubong at iti-offer na kanyang mga opportunities and chances. Nguyamhan niya amin kahit nagkapugin ni Apo. Iso nga tiyam na laing at masirip ka. And then number 5, stay your feet on the ground. Kanahin ka takong baba, kanahin nga panunutem nga at pagmabakalat ta. Oray makapasakan to, makaadal kan to, bumaknang kaman, kundo intitungan ti kapanang always stay humble. And then always go back to number 1. That's God. Ni Apo Diyos amin ti pangikomitang ti Biyag.
Bakit? Ang tahimik ka? Naibagarabi yan. Okay, ang tahimik. Naibagarabi tayo aming kakabsat. Hi, Mikay. Magpinta si Mikay, oh. Katamot, ang taktak inak pa itata. Congratulations, Mikay, for reaching another milestone in your life. You're already 18. Very freeing ang pagiging 18. Legality, ganyan. But of course, with some reservations. I can see and I can witness your family seems to be religious. And I think you are on the right track. Kasi yun naman talaga eh. If you have a good foundation, you have a good support, then we have nothing to worry. And knowing you, nakasama na kita ng 2 taon, I have always witnessed how good and how responsible and how respectful of a student you are. And I know that you have been empowered by your parents to be the Mikaela that we know. And of course, with the guidance of our Lord, for sure, you will reach greater heights. Yun lang naman, keep your feet on the ground as Jaron has mentioned a while ago. Then everything will follow and everything will fall into its proper place. Ako syempre, I advocate for education. I hope na kahit anong mangyari, you will be able to finish your studies. Kasi alam natin lahat, if you are educated, pag may pinag-aralan, talagang 80% na may assurance ng magandang buhay. So, I hope that you become the best Mikaela pa rin na kayang abutin ng pangarap mo, kayang abutin ng iyong kung ano man ang gusto mong marating sa buhay. Mahal ka namin. I'm so thankful that I'm here celebrating this birthday celebration of yours. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat ulit. Again?
Ilan na ba ako nagsabi ngayong gabi ng ganda-ganda mo? You're no longer a girl, you're already a woman. And may you always carry the accountability, the responsibility of being now a legal woman. So, always remember all the sacrifices your parents are doing for you. Don't forget that. No matter what happens, at the end of the day, yung mama at papa mo, lagi silang nandyan para sa'yo. At sana, always be brave. I know, napaka-strong mong bata. At ngayon na, dalaga ka na, I know you will be the stronger Mikay that we know. Yun lang, sana maabot mo lahat ng mga sa buhay. Nandito kami nananalangin sa bukasan na naghihintay sa'yo. God bless you and your family.
Wala si Kuya mo Jay mo kasi may sakit siya. Pero nandito naman ako since isa naman na kami. Ayun, happy birthday, Aling Mika. Tulad ng sabi ni Kuya mo Ron kanina, always remember na si God ang unang dapat mo takbuhan sa mga bagay, sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi dahil siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng tamang direction, ng wisdom at strength sa lahat ng decision mo sa buhay. Ayun, enjoy your youth, pero use it wisely. Huwag madaliin ang mga bagay kasi in God's perfect time, everything will fall into place. Ayun, keep your heart pure, your dreams big, and your faith even bigger. Pinakabahan ako, parang kailangan magsalita sa harap ng madaming tao. Ayun, God bless you, and then enjoy mo tonight. At saka sa rest ng 18th year mo. Ayun.
Birthday Mika. So, bigyan ko lang ng Bible verse yung sinabi ni Kuya Jayron kanina, si Sir Jayron. Doon sa Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, naging natin verse 3. Kasi di ko na in the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of water. Doon sa verse 3, and God said, let there be light, and there was light. So ito'y adaka iti barong nga yung tutibiyag mo. New chapter. So iti pang lugim iti barong nga chapter iti biyag mo. Put God first. Nga ako Diyos iti pang pangunam. Iti verse 1 ko na God created heavens and earth. So nabubuhay tayo dito sa lupa temporary. Ihanda mo ang buhay mo para sa buhay sa langit. Ito ibiyag tayo ito daga ko na nagyay verse 2, maraming tukso, magulo, ado iti manangan lilaw, ado iti mangyaw-awan, ado iti pakaisagmakan. Yan, iti biyag mo katagdakin ni Apo Diyos, hayaan mo ang Diyos ang umilos sa iyong buhay. Ket ijay